Well, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You truly know when someone is incredibly confident when they laugh in the face of the SEC. Now, given everything that's going on with Binance, Crypto.com and Coinbase, it is almost laughable that we actually see the CEO of Ripple laugh in the face of exactly what Gary Gensler metaphorically is bringing to the cryptocurrency space. We're going to break it down. In particular, we're going to look at XRP and why everybody right now is super bullish on this coin. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're in the XRP army, smash that like button. Let's see how many of you are out there. And let's, with that said, get into this video. So like I said, CEO of Ripple, XRP laughs in the face of SEC's Gary Gensler. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, and he did tweet out, if it wasn't already clear, it should be now, Chair Gensler's laughable pro-innovation stance, as he said today, is exactly the opposite. What this also tells me is that the SEC is throwing lawsuits at the wall and hoping they distract from the agency's FTX debacle. Now, obviously, there was a lot of questions around Gary Gensler's involvement with FTX, in particular his relationship with Sam Bankman-Fried. As we know, they were trying to produce a almost SEC-backed cryptocurrency exchange that had a credible regulation, but ultimately was therefore tipping in some funds into the SEC. Says Garlinghouse makes his statement as he highlights how the moves that the SEC is making hinders innovation. After all, it has been made clear repeatedly that Gensler's war against cryptocurrency is only to hurt their growth. More specifically, actually hurt the growth of the US citizen as opposed to the global market. The global crypto market will continue. We're seeing countries like Japan, even in Europe. We also have seen China and Russia now come out as pro-crypto. China's banned cryptocurrency 5 times since 2017. Once again, back out being pro-cryptocurrency. So again, Gary Gensler's move right now is only detracting away from both the US citizen and equally revenue generation in their platform. You know, Coinbase, Binance US, all US based companies. It says most importantly, Garlinghouse says that the SEC is doing this just to draw the spotlight away from FTX fiasco. He also says it's nothing but embarrassing to watch the SEC, an unelected bureaucrat, try to grasp a power he so clearly wishes he had. Now, obviously, the SEC versus XRP is an incredibly interesting news article, in particular, a story of over a couple of years. And we do feel like we are getting ever near. Remember, June 13th, 3 days from the time this video goes up, we get the Hinman files, and that could be very, very bullish for XRP. And I guess the question here is the whole Binance and Coinbase all just a ruse? But what we do know is the XRP holder's attorney is ready to go to bat for both Binance and Coinbase users in the fight against SEC. So if you've been watching this channel for a while, you know we've talked about John Deaton and in particular what he does and how he covers a lot of the legal aspects from XRP. But he says Johnny Deaton, the lawyer representing over 75,000 XRP holders, feels the SEC is not working in the best interests of the users of Coinbase and Binance. As such, he's calling on customers of these two exchanges to come together and see if they can have their voices heard by participating in the lawsuits as amicus or friends of the court. In a series of tweets recently, Deaton posted that he did not back Ripple as a firm and he will not be taking any position on whether Binance and Coinbase violated securities laws as the SEC alleges. The crypto law founder noted that the SEC determined that Coinbase's initial public offering was in the public interest before approving it over 2 years ago, and doing a complete U-turn now only proves that the securities watchdog is not acting in the favor of the exchange's customers. Deaton said he expects the two digital asset exchanges to defend themselves, not the users. As I said, to judge in the Ripple case, I expect Ripple to look out for Ripple and not individual XRP holders. So Johnny Deaton looking out for those people that ultimately are going to get screwed by the SEC. And I think this is important because once again, the SEC is claiming it is protecting user funds, while at the same time, they are absolutely dumping on the people that need it the most. Now, again, Binance, Coinbase, even XRP all have money to back. LBRY did not, and they were the ones that lost out to the SEC. This is a huge landmark point for cryptocurrency. This is a massive moment in time in which the XRP we truly think will win against the SEC, and it surely then opens the doorway up for everything else to fall in line. A lot of people truly think that is exactly the same as well. So here we go on the XRP chart, looking incredibly bullish right now at 53.81, up 2.7% in this kind of current market climate. And you can tell exactly how people feel about the SEC and, more importantly, what people think will happen to the price of XRP. Lots of people buying, super bullish trend on the 1 hour. Volume is up as well, and we are trending nicely above the 250, 20 and 7-day EMA. So all the metrics looking good for XRP. A lot of people bullish for XRP. And more importantly, the CEO is laughing in the face of Gary Gensler. Let me know down below in the comments. And if you are holding XRP, let me see your hashtag XRP Army in the chat. I'm definitely interested to see how many of you watch these videos. Who is it in XRP? As ever, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. We are so close to 17,000 subscribers. Can't believe it. You are so unbelievable. And I'm truly grateful for every single one of you that clicks that button. So anyway, that's it for me. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.